Okay. I think it is recording to the cloud. Okay. Let's welcome Sanjay. So, Sanjay, thank you so much for your time today. So, little background about Sanjay. He is a creator and founder of Selectors Hub. And also about a little about Selectors Hub. It's a popular browser extension, and almost 1.7 millions of testers are already using it across the world. And he's a software testing expert, where it is really exciting for me to introduce him today on this special occasion of Women's Day. And he has a decade of experience and worked with companies like IBM, Goibibo,
Go IBO. Yep.
oh, Goibibo, okay, Urban Ladder, and Inmobi. And many more interesting companies I could see in the near future, I guess, right? And also, he's a creator of interesting tools like Studio and Testing Daily and Check My Links, Exploratory Tester. These kind of tools are pretty interesting, where I'm learning today along with you all. And, it's really good to explore, guys. So, along with this especially, this particular selector hub, it is a screenshot URL. We are going to learn today about that more today. And it really helps in automating your tasks, and it is really a free productivity tool. So I'm really excited to hear and learn about this tool today, Sanjay, and a warm welcome to you, and I really appreciate your time today with us. Let's welcome Sanjay officially. A big applause. Thank you, and we can get this session started.
Thank you, Gautami. Thanks so much for the great introduction and for having me and arranging this session here. First of all, a very happy Women's Day to everyone, all the beautiful ladies here. And without any further delay, let's start with the session. I hope you guys will enjoy this. And I believe like you all are the testers here or from the testing background, or you're learning about the testing. So this session will be very, very helpful for all of you to, from the productivity point of view. Definitely, you are going to save at least 30 to 40% of the time what you invest today while doing the software testing or exploring the testing, learning the testing, and many of the things which I will be talking or sharing. Those all will help you in learning as well, apart from the productivity. And everything what I will be sharing with you guys or showing you, that will be the direct solution for your day-to-day problem. So you will be able to immediately use them and explore them. I hope the recording is on, and let
Yes.
me just share my screen. If you guys get any question in between, you can unmute and feel free to ask me. Just before I get started, just wanted to know, like, how many does any one of you know Selector Sub or use Selector Sub? If yes, then you can unmute and I can see that. Or any one of you have heard about Crowpath?
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh,
Okay,
one yes. Good.
great. Is that yes for Crowpath or Selector Sub?
Crowpath.
Okay. That was my first tool back in 2017, which we ended up in 2020. So Selector Sub is the new reality. But good to know that, yes, someone has used that. Okay. Beyond AI hype, of course, like pretty much everybody is using AI, everywhere is AI talking. We all are talking. And yes, of course, that we all are now evolving with the AI things. Tools are all around. But here we are going to talk about like things, pain points of our testers, which can be solved, which are being solved with AI or without AI. So it's a kind of like mix up. Okay. What is that first thing a tester does whenever there's a bug in production? Whenever we get a bug in production, as per you guys, what is that first thing we used to do? Trying to reproduce the bug, RCA,
Mhm.
right?
Good
All those
concept.
things. Do you think like you guys do this thing? We all does. First of
Yeah.
all, as a human being, we all wants to save ourselves. Like, no, 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 this bug is not because of my fault. It could be developer issue. It might have been missed something or some other issue or network failure, right? We always want to save us. The
Mhm.
reason of this thing is that we all do a lot of testing, but we are not able to document each and everything. The moment there's a bug in production, we say that no, 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 we have tested this scenario. But generally and mostly we don't have the proof of that particular scenario that we have done that testing. Like for an example, let's say we are on any e-commerce website or any website, let's say. So here we are doing the testing. Now, while we do the testing on this particular website, if you, let's say we just perform a simple sanity flow here, let's say right click, I click on this. We are doing the testing of this particular website, clicking here and there, and just scroll and click on buy, then scroll, then let's say change, then click, then go back. Now, suppose at this point of time, like which we have done this testing. Now, at this point, we felt that there is a bug. Now, if you guys have to reproduce this particular bug, and this bug can be reproduced only if we will follow the same steps which we just performed. Does any one of us remember these steps? I mean,
Mhm.
like as a human being, it's like quite goes towards impossible that we can recall all 20, 30 steps when we get the bug. Generally, what we do, we to reproduce the bug, we used to hit and try and think back what were those steps which we have performed so that we can get this issue. Agree?
Mhm.
Yes. Then
Yep.
suppose we got those steps. So this is one problem that whenever we get a bug, we have to think back and then to reproduce the bug, we hit and try to reproduce the bug. Okay. Now, the second problem is that suppose you got the bug, okay? Then you have to file the bug. And to file the bug, we have to write this step, right? Like open website, then search for this, then do this, then do that. This is how we write the steps in the Jira or to the developer that these are the steps to reproduce the bug. Do you guys agree with this?
Mhm. Yes.
And then we take the screenshot like this. And then wherever will be the that bug, we will highlight that particular area, right? Like this, and then save and then share it with developer or upload this screenshot in the Jira. Okay, so this is another problem. Like one problem was we think in our mind that what were those steps. Second problem, if we get the steps, if we are able to reproduce that bug, then we have to type these steps and then we have to take that screenshot. And once you will file that bug, developer will come back and ask you what was the browser version, what was the OS in which you were testing. You will say, I was testing in Chrome. He will say, no, go back and try it in Firefox or restart or update your browser so that that bug might not be there. Okay. So these are couple of day-to-day problem of our testers. Do you guys agree so far with me that yes, we, even if like AI or everything is there, but when we are doing the testing in real time, this is what we do. We are doing. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Isn't
Now here
there
is the
like
sol-
a isn't there like a customer like log that comes with it and some steps from the customer that we could read?
Yes, that can be done. Yes, that is one of the thing. But when you are doing testing in your like test environment, and that time you get a bug, but getting the logs, that is like quite a like far thing. But this is what we are discussing, that when you are doing the testing in your test environment, or even if some in some cases when you are doing the testing in your production as well. Logs, of course, like when someone got the bug, you can of course check the logs, what were the logs has been recorded for that particular scenario. So yes, that can be done. Here we are talking about like one thing when you do the exploratory testing or functional testing. So now here we have this tool, Test Case Studio, which will help you guys to automatically get these steps for the first problem, reproducing the bug. Then for the second problem, steps so that you don't have to type manually, and screenshot also you get it from automatically, as well as you get the browser and OS information, everything where you were testing. Let me show you how. So before starting this testing, you see that I just click on this logo of Test Case Studio and it has opened here. And now you see that I haven't done anything extra, but I got the steps. Simply, I can copy these steps and share it with my developer that these are the steps to reproduce this bug. Or if I have to reproduce the bug, I can simply follow these steps and I will be able to reproduce. You see that? Very simple plain English sentence. These are open website, then enter iPhone into search field, then press enter, then right click, then click on Apple 16, then click on Flipkart. So you see all the steps has been recorded into plain English sentence. I can simply copy and paste it to my developer that these are the steps you can follow to reproduce the bug. And my bug will be filed in Jira. And here you have the
have a question.
Just a second, let me just complete this thing and then we'll take the question.
Okay.
Just one moment. Okay.
Sure.
And here is the screenshot. You see that wherever we have performed the action, it has highlighted that area. So you don't even have to take the screenshot. And then here you have all the details, like we were doing the testing on Mac OS. What was the OS version? Browser Chrome. What was the browser version? Resolution and timestamp. You can simply copy or suppose. So, okay, the first thing, to reproduce the bug, you got the steps, you got the data, you got the XPath, CSS selector, everything, and the screenshot. Second thing, for filing the bug, you have all the details. So everything is done. Now, suppose you don't get a bug. Here there is no bug, but you have covered this scenario. So you can simply download this test case for your future reference. So now here you have the downloaded test case. Suppose there's a bug in production after 4 days, you can show this as a proof to your manager or someone that yes, you have done this testing. Here is that scenario which was working at that moment. Even you have the screenshots as well, a screenshot test case. So if you open this zip folder, here you will have all the screenshots. Like, okay, you have opened the website, it was working. You have searched for this, it was working. You have right click on this iPhone thing and you have this page and that everything. So you have that proof as well that if tomorrow anything break, and here is the CSV where it will have the steps and all the data, what you have performed the action like this, open website and everything. And here is the OS browser version, all the details. So you have that proof as well that yes, you have covered this scenario. Okay. Now, yes, there was a question, please.
Yeah, hi. So if you download this CSV and import it back into the tool, does the tool replay the steps by itself? Is that functionality also included in?
No, it's not a record and play tool. It's a one way, like it is just for
Okay.
recording. Yeah.
Okay.
Generally, so I'm sure like you all must have seen there were so many record and play tools in the past, like Selenium IDE, you might have heard about that.
Mhm.
So those record and play tool have been always in past failure. I mean, like the reason those kind of tools got failure because the moment you record the test case, any test case, they get recorded. First run, it might work. After 2 days, when you will upload that and try to execute, I'm sure recorded test case generally never have been re-executed. They were always used to fail because some locators might change. If such a complex e-commerce website, every moment the locators are getting changed. Right now, there was on the search page there was iPhone 16. Tomorrow, if you will search for iPhone, or just right now, even if you will search, there might be iPhone 17 on the top. Right. So all the locators will change.
Okay.
Like this iPhone, we clicked on iPhone 16, the top one. You might click or rerun, so script will fail. So far we never believed on record and play, and that's the
Okay.
reason we have this one.
Okay. Thank you.
I have a question, Sanjay. I do see well, really interesting, and it saves a lot of our time, especially when I'm reporting any bug. Right now, I do see there is a CSV with the recorded steps, but
Yes,
the downloaded zip version has the images separately, and then the steps also. So,
yes,
how do I? Well, is it really user friendly if I have to upload that into Jira? The downloaded zip
yes,
file
yes,
is okay.
yes, absolutely. Yeah, this is absolutely user friendly and everything is readable. So you can see that it's a very plain English sentence and it can be uploaded right there. Or let's say you don't want to download this
Huh.
thing. So for that
Mhm.
purpose, we have given this copy button. Just in single click, you got all the
Okay.
steps. You can paste it into Jira ticket. So there is no headache of downloading the file, uploading the file, because you just need this step. So you click on this and then you can directly upload
What if I
ticket.
wanted to really give these steps along with the images, the screenshots, what it captured? I do see on the right hand side, it captured the screenshots of every step, almost
Yes,
all the
yes.
steps, right?
Yeah.
So, what
So,
if I wanted to really share this with my team, saying, hey guys, here is the error where I identify. How do I
yes.
minimize my effort over here for uploading steps along with the images?
So that you will have to like, because we can give that generally like in Excel sheet, a screenshot will not go along with that.
Mm-hmm.
If we will like in Google Sheet and all that can be done.
Oh,
There we can add the screenshot, but then you will have to give the permission. This particular tool runs offline in your system,
mm-hmm.
and along with the steps right here in this, when you will download it, screenshot will not come with that. A
Okay.
screenshot will get downloaded separately, and if you see that every screenshot is a kind of step. So you see that
Mm.
open website. This is
Yeah.
so so this we used to call a screenshot test case. So here
Mm-hmm.
you have that. Like if you just share this particular image with your developer, he will understand that this is enter iPhone into search for products brand. So he will,
Okay.
from the name itself, this name is a step basically, and the
Mm-hmm.
screenshot is highlighted. So that is also there.
Okay, so the
That
area
goes very easy.
where that particular step is executing is also highlighted already.
Yes,
That,
yes, yes.
that's really great.
Yeah.
Cool.
You see
And
that?
is there any way that I can, well, let's say, for example, is there any way that I can minimize the steps automatically? All these screenshots get into Word format by that I can attach in the Word. I can attach the word in Jira saying here are the documented steps because sometimes I need to, not sometimes, most of the times we need to attach the evidences. So rather than
Yes, yes.
doing it multiple times or just copying the steps, is there any
Mhm.
way that I can download everything into Word at one shot along with
Here you
the
cannot like
images?
okay. So now that particular feature we have it in our Pro version. Test Case
Okay.
Studio Pro is also available. So there
Ah,
you have that option that you can download the in doc format as well, and you can directly upload this particular test case in Jira or TestRail or whichever test management tool you are using. So that is there. Like in that you can
okay.
do. This is very straightforward for someone those who want to immediately start.
Got you. So
Yeah.
it's a free web extension that I can,
Yeah, this
add
is
it
the
to
free browser extension. So
Mhm.
this you guys can immediately start using it. In fact, this is one of the highest rated recorder plugin out there in Chrome Store.
Mhm.
More than right now 80,000 active users are there in Chrome Store. You can see that, and it's absolutely safe and secure. It runs local in your system. It doesn't save any of the data in anywhere. It runs
Mhm.
offline in your system. So it has amazing feature. It will really help you guys a lot.
Awesome.
Yeah. Now that you have asked about that, there is a pro version for this, which has many more features like you can record multiple test cases, you can directly upload in Jira, you can also do the screen recording, and lot more features are there. You can do a lot of customization. So that is there. But anyways, we are not going to talk about that. Yeah, there is a question from you. From yes, tell me please.
Oh, it's two questions. Is there a way to change the timestamp to UTC and like time zone or something like that?
I believe like it
Yes.
by default when you will start. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me guys give you this link so you can install it and just give it a immediate try. So that will be even much faster. So by
Okay.
default, it will automatically take the your timestamp. It will not. It is not fixed. So hopefully, it will automatically take it. In the chat, I have given the download link. Quick download link. I hope you all are using Chrome, not like any other browser. If you are using any other browser, you can install it from here. For the Chrome direct link, I have given. So we'll take a second, you guys install it and then let me know if you face any problem. So after installing it, what you have to do, I hope you all know how to install the Chrome extension and get started with it. When you install this, the by default, the extension icon will not come here. So what you will have to do, it will be unpinned. You have to click on this and then you have to pin it to toolbar. So the logo will be here. Now, whenever you will be,
The meeting, QA testing.
Shravanti, can you please mute yourself?
so whenever you are going to start your testing, what you have to do, just simply click on the logo. That's all. And now you start your testing. You will see that it will start recording automatically. Whatever action you will be performing, it will be capturing here.
Awesome.
Okay. Yeah. And there are many other features like if you get any step got added by mistake, you record it, you can delete that. If you want to add some step in between, let's say you want to add weight or something, you can click on plus icon, you can add that. Suppose you want to is record in BDD format, that can also be done from this setting button. Click on this setting button. Here you can change it to BDD. So it can record in BDD format as well. You can also change these keywords, like let's say in place of click on, you want to say click at something, you want to record those in that format. Like it says open website, you want to say open URL. So like someone just asked that IST, in place of IST, can it show the local time? So those kind of things you want to change, so that you can also do. Like now, if we will delete all these steps, this one, and if we will perform any action, so whatever we have done, now you see that it says open URL, click at. So you can change the keyword as well. So there are many features in this particular tool which will help you guys to record the test case in your format, in your language, everything. It also used to record XPath and CSS selector. So suppose if someone wants to automate this particular test case, that you can also do it quickly. You can also record the okay. You can also record the screen as well. Let's say in place of just steps, you want to record the screen, entire screen or something, video recording, you can select and share. It will start the video recording as well, screen recording basically. That also becomes a very good proof of bug or anything whenever you want. So that also you can do. Okay, you were asking something.
Oh yeah, how does this extension take into account like preconditions? Like a precondition could be like, oh, is the user logged in or not? Or one of the steps takes, you need to wait like, I don't know, 15 seconds for the bug to show up.
Okay, so it doesn't consider that whether user logged in. So it's a very simple tool which will record what action you will perform on the browser in your web application. That's as simple as it is. If I have clicked here, it will record that. If I have right click here, it will record that. So it's a very simple tool to record your action. Consider this that you are doing a functional testing, exploratory testing, smoke testing. So someone who will help you to get the steps automatically to reproduce the bug or document that every action you have performed on the UI.
I have one quick question. Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, sorry. How about like just like a place to put notes, like for preconditions or other types of notes before you download it? Like
Yeah,
user
you can. Yes. So yes, here is the expected result. You can put that, or like let's say you whatever actions you will performing. So here you have an option to add a step in between. So in that you can add pre note before downloading something. So you just click on this. Let's say in between these two steps, I want to add a note. So here I can add that, like wait for 5 seconds. Or let's say after opening the URL, I wanted to say that login something or whatever you wanted to say. So that you can do it here.
Hi, I have a question, Sanjay. This is a great
Yes,
tool and
please.
really it helps in reproducing the issues as well as for test cases as well. So this is doing mainly CSS selector and XPaths. Now,
Yes.
if we do the playwright, does it have the locators like say get by role or is it in the process of adding it?
Yeah, we will add them soon because right now we have added for the in the selectors of we have already introduced the playwright locators. Here
Okay.
also soon we will add that. Yeah. Right now XPath and CSS selector. Good question. Yeah. Soon we will add them here.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so you guys can install it, try it. If you guys have ever any kind of doubt, we're always here to help you guys. You can always reach out to us on the live chat, or you can write to us on support@selectorsub.com. So we will help you guys. Okay?
Yeah, I have one question. Mm.
Yes.
So for the playwright, we used to have a trace viewer, right? So it will record each and everything, the screenshots and the even for the XPath also it will record, right? So what
Yes,
made is
yes.
the difference between this plugin with trace viewer versus this plugin?
Okay, so there is a huge difference. Like you might have to run the playwright script, and someone. This is basically more for the manual testers, those who doesn't know the exploratory testing, or sorry, those who don't do the automation or not writing the automation script or not always running the code, because there will be many moments. Are you always running the script? And first of all, like the kind of steps you might have seen, the way it used to record, the kind of plain English sentence, because it has been created from the point of view that you get the steps to reproduce the bug, the steps which you can directly copy paste it to your developer to reproduce the bug. So in many ways, it is absolutely different from that tool. What you see other recorder plugin with comes with the automation script and all. So this is absolutely different from that. I mean, like we have to cover almost 10 tools. So I guess half an hour we have taken in this. So I have already created a lot of tutorial about differentiating and showing how this tool is different from other tools. So I will highly recommend that if you get those kind of questions, that how it is different from other tools, what are there in the market, you can check out on our Selectors of YouTube channel. So you will find a lot more things.
Okay.
Hope that is helpful. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So,
Hi, Sanjay. Sorry, the last question on my end.
yes.
So regarding, I'm from totally manual testing. I'm busy
Yes.
like right now with exploring of automation and as well as AI. As per my past previous experience, I worked for apps as well, both
Mhm.
using this app and using the different Android and Apple. So can we use this one using with
Is it feasible
It
for
can be used
Apple?
for the mobile web as well as for the desktop web application, not for the mobile native apps.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, then let's move on. What is the greatest weapon of a testers? Screenshot?
Mhm.
Like the moment we used to get a bug, we immediately uh,
Absolutely.
take the screenshot. The moment we get the bug, we take the screenshot, right? So, and the way, I'm sure, like, how do you guys take the screenshot? Like, if you are using Mac, so you must be using Command Shift and that $4 icon, and then you used to take the screenshot like this, right?
Mhm.
Or if you are using Windows, then you must be using some snippet tool, if I'm not wrong, the name of that tool. So when you take the screenshot like this from your default Mac or Windows tool, first of all, like, can you guys confirm me that yes, you take it this way or not?
Yep.
Right. And you see that when you take the screenshot like this, if you want to have a URL in your screenshot, generally you will take with URL. So you see that your bookmark used to come here. And
Yes.
we never wanted to share our bookmark list with our developer, or we don't want to upload this screenshot in the Jira.
Mhm.
And if you will take the screenshot without URL, like without bookmark, then URL will not come. So that is another problem. Like if you will take this like this, then URL will not come in this. So to solve this problem, we have created a tool, screenshot with URL, which is already got very popular, which will help you guys to take the screenshot with URL and without bookmark. So you don't have to either hide this every time before you take the screenshot, nor you have to customize or like black out that bookmark list. So what you have to do, simply click on the logo here and click on this visible area. It will automatically take the screenshot. And this screenshot, if you open here, you will see that bookmark is not there, only URL is there. Also, it will have the timestamp here, like at what time it has been taken, on what browser it has been taken, on what was the browser version where it was taken. So this is going to be very, very helpful for you guys to take this screenshot. Very simple tool, neat and clean. And this screenshot got this feature that whatever URL will be here, if you click on this directly, it will open. It's a clickable URL. So that's another advantage for you guys, that when you share this URL, so to reproduce the bug or something, they will not have to, like someone will not have to type the URL as well. So it's one of the feature. Now, if you have to take the full page URL, so that can also be done with this tool without, like, I'm not sure what you guys do to take the full page screenshot. So you just click on this and it will automatically scroll the page and take the screenshot of full page of your website. So this is very helpful to take the full page screenshot as well.
Oh, wow. This
It
is very
also got,
interesting.
yeah, it also got the feature that you can also include console logs and network logs in the screenshot without you doing anything extra. Those network logs and console logs will also be get attached in your screenshots, and the width height of your screenshot will not get compromised. And the moment like you see that it is taking full page screenshot, if you want to stop that in between, that also you can do. So this is how it can take the full page screenshot as well. Okay. And then it will get saved. And okay, what all other feature? One second. Let me just. Let me show you guys this one. How does it get the network logs? So you just click on the logo here. So to get the, okay, before the network logs, this also get one feature that you can also edit few of the, like you want to open the screenshot in editor mode. You can do that as well. So here is an open editor before saving. It also got an option like, let's say you want to save, copy, or just save and copy both. So let's say we want to save and copy. And if you want to take a selected area screenshot, that also you can do. So let's try with selected area. And this time it will open editor mode. So here you can edit as well your screenshot. Suppose you want to blur some area like payment page or something is there. You don't want to show it to someone. You can blur that. You can highlight something you want to highlight, that also you can highlight and all. So that everything, all these features are there. You can simply save, copy, or whatever you want to do, that you can do. So this is a screenshot with URL tool. Very helpful in many, many ways. And now let me show you how you can get the network logs and all. So let's say on this page, we go to practice page. There could be some logs and all. Click on the logo. Here, click on the settings. Here you have this include network logs in the screenshot. Click on this logo. And now you take this, let's say we want to take the, I will turn off the editor for now. Click on this visible area. A screenshot is taken. Now you see your network logs will be there in the screenshot. And you see that the complete height is there for the page. So your network logs is there. If you want to share it with, when you want to file a bug or something, you want to take a screenshot with this kind of thing, you can take it. And here, if you will take manually, then you will see that if you suppose you want to take a screenshot of your page here manually and you want to take with network logs. So either if you will open like this, you see that half of the page is going to cut off. And when you will take this screenshot like this, it will have bookmark, it will have your network logs, but half of your page is gone. So this is the screenshot which you have taken manually. And this is the screenshot which the tool has taken. So quite a difference, you can see that. It has bookmark, it has half of the height of my page gone. So this is where like it will be very, very helpful for you guys. This is screenshot with URL. And it also got a feature like you can do the screen recording as well. If you want to do the screen recording, that also you can do. Like you just click on this and you can start recording with mic also you can do. So it got many, many features. So you guys can try this. This is a screenshot with URL. And we just launched, I guess, this has been just 4 weeks of launch. And after seeing this tool, I guess we connected for this particular webinar, and it has got uh, quite a good attention in the community. So let me guys just share with you this particular link. And you can see that already just in like 4 weeks, more than 4,000 testers are actively using it. Here is the tool link for this screenshot with URL. You guys can install it. And if you want to try, you can give it a try. And do let me know if you have any question or any feedback on this. And my humble request, all of you, that if you like these tools, please do rate us on the Chrome Store. Those are absolutely free tools, and they will help us. These ratings and reviews are the motivation for us to keep working hard on these tools. Now, if you have any question, please do let me know.
Where did that screenshot saved? That lengthy screenshot, whatever you captured, Sanjay. May I know where did it
Okay.
get saved?
Yes,
Is
yes,
it-
yes. Okay, okay. I guess I have cancelled in between. Let me take that again. So it will, all these screenshots just go in your download folder, which it will save. You can also, here, you see that save folder. If you want to create a folder and there you want to save your all the screenshot, it will automatically go and save there. So like, let's say, let me create a folder name, new QA Nexus for today. Now, when I will take this screenshot, it will go inside, it will go create this QA Access folder in my download folder, and every screenshot will go and save there. So let's say, now we'll take this whole screenshot. Just scrolling the page. And it will go and save in, it will automatically create that folder, and going forward, all the screenshot taken by this tool will get saved in QA Access folder, and that folder will be inside download.
Awesome. Well, I always
So
had
let's go
challenges
here.
with Snagit.
Yeah, you see that this is download. Under that we have QA Access, and here is the full page screenshot.
Oh, nice. So at one
So
shot,
this
I
is
can paste this for in a Word, or is it like clearly visible to see? Oh, okay.
yeah.
Awesome.
What did you say?
And I always find it challenging with Snagit.
Yeah,
Yeah, so it's really pretty interesting. Thank you.
yeah.
Sanjay, I have
And
a
this way,
question. So there is
yes,
the record screen option, right? In when you're using
yes.
that option, even in that, would it blur out the bookmarks?
In that, no, no, no. Record screen is like you are recording your complete screen.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So it might
So
be
that
useful
you
to
can,
have the blurring out of the bookmarks in the record screen as well, right? If you don't want to,
no, that will not have that option. Like let's say it, there you will have this option that which particular tab you want to record. Tab you
okay.
can select, Windows you can select, or you want to record the particular entire screen you want to record. That options
Okay.
will be there. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey Sanjay,
Okay. So this was the, yes,
hello.
please.
Can we have Jira integration with our code? So you said you can take the steps and create Jira stores manually, right? Instead of creating manual defects, can we have Jira integration?
Are you asking about this screenshot with URL or test case studio previous tool?
Previous one.
Yes, yes. In pro version we have, in the free version we don't have the integration with Jira. So in this pro version we have the Jira integration. Like here, if I show you guys, So in this tool, we have this Jira integration. You can directly click and upload it to Jira. Here you have, like we have Azure DevOps Jira test rail. So that has many features. There you can customize template, you can record multiple test case, whatever you want, that you can do all things.
Okay. Is it can be done to CI/CD pipeline or through code?
It can be done from the tool only, not from the CI/CD or not from the code. Directly from here. Like you record the test case, you click on this Jira and it will upload and create the ticket in Jira.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Sure, you're welcome. Okay,
Sanjay,
then
so quickly one. Do we have any like a PDF or a kind of guide for this all tabs or menus? Maybe for further.
Yes, so for each tool which I'm telling you guys here in selectorshub.com, you will find the document and everything and the tutorial as well with each tool. So like let's say if I have talked about Test Case Studio, so here on this page you will find the tutorial. So just go through that and the pro like you wanted to check what all features are there in compared to free and pro, which I'm talking about. So you can see that free and pro here. So
Okay.
these all features comparison, and every feature here it will be having the tutorial with that. So you can also check out those tutorial so that you can check. And here we have this, like let's say screenshot with URL we were talking about right now. So in this page you will find the tutorial. So just go through that and it will help you with all the features.
Sure. Thanks, Sanjay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, moving on. How do you guys find the broken links on a page? Do you guys do the like links testing in ever? Like for an example, let's say we have this page, practice page here. So whenever you give thumbs up for your website, so do you guys do that links testing, that all links on your web page is fine and working and nothing will break in production? Do you guys do that? Okay, so you might have done with the Selenium script or some kind of automation script, like writing /a, getting all the links, then href attribute, then finding the status of each and every link. And many a times people doesn't do the links testing, and because of that sometimes we used to push the links in the production which are broken or which might break the website in the production. So to solve that problem quickly, sorry, just in one click, we have this tool, Check My Links. You just have to click on the logo of this. It will quickly scan your entire page and tell you how many links are broken or valid or whatever. Like on this page, if I click on this Check My Links logo here, you see that quickly it is running here. Like there are total 29 links. Out of that, 13 valid, 15 valid, redirect link. There's no invalid or warning. So this is how quickly it can test. You can check the report here. You see that URL, status code, label, and everything. On this page, if there will be any broken link, it will identify and tell us. So you see that, and it has multiple features, like it will highlight valid link with this green color, valid redirect with this color, warning this, and invalid link with the red color, it will highlight on the page. So this is how very quickly you can do the testing of link on any web page. So whenever you are giving thumbs up uh, for your build or your release, you just quickly click on this logo and it will tell you how many links are working, whether is there any invalid link. You see that one invalid link. Click on this view icon. You can see that this is the link invalid. If you open this, it is broken. Knowingly, we have added this link, broken link, just to show you guys on that page. So S is missing, because of that, this link is not working. So it will help you guys to push the release in the production, which will make sure that nothing is broken from links point of view, and SEO of your website will not break. Okay. So this is the Check My Links tool. You can add to Chrome. Already like more than 80,000 testers are using it. It's a very, very helpful tool. You guys can install it from here. Let me just give you guys the link here if you guys wanted to install it and try it.
Hey Sanjay,
Yeah,
is it
couple of
possible?
questions are there.
Hey Sanjay, is it possible, like for us, we always try to go from one browser to another one? Like there are so many screens that we have to open. Is it possible that it will check all in one go, or is it just the one that where we click it? The
It will check on that particular window and browser, not
okay.
like, let's say you have open Chrome and Firefox, so it will not check on all the screens and all the browsers, because like in this browser we have open 10 tabs. So if it will start running on all the 10 tabs, your system will crash, your browser will crash. So wherever you want to run, it will run on that one.
Okay, no, what I mean,
No,
like,
I
okay,
had to
let's suppose.
copy this one
So
of the
what,
link copy just call Chanda. So
what I mean is like, okay, because you are when you are testing, like first you are on the login page, when then you are inside the page, and then you want to check all the links everywhere.
Yes. Yes, yes. So wherever, in whichever page you will be, you will have to click on that page. If you're on login page, click on the logo. It will run on login. Then suppose you went inside after login, you went inside, then you click on that.
Makes sense. Thank you.
Yeah, because region, I will tell you, it cannot like, let's say it has run on this page. It cannot run inside another page automatically, because same page will have same. There might be a chance like multiple page are having same kind of link, and if it will go inside, it will be always in the loop. So that's the reason.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, so this was the check my links. You guys can install and try it. And this will really help you guys a lot. And all of the tools which we have talked about, Test Case Studio, screenshot with URL, check my links, those all are like absolutely simple to use. Just one click, that's all. Then is smoke testing. How many of you does the smoke testing? I'm pretty much sure that everybody does that. The moment you used to get the build,
yeah.
like let's say you got a build for this particular page. Okay. So before we jump into the business use cases or the complex scenarios of our application, we always wanted to check like this email field, are we able to type on this or not? Password is taking or not, company. So at least one round of smoke testing sanity, you can say, we always do. Do you guys agree with that?
Yes.
Yeah. So in place of like, because we are living in this AI era now, so to why to do that smoke testing every time manually whenever we used to get any build, because this, we all are human and we always like, irrespective of what is there, at least one round of a smoke testing or simple testing we do before doing the actual functionality testing or actual bug fix testing and giving thumbs up for the production. So to solve that particular problem, we have introduced this tool, Exploratory Tester. What it will do, you just click on the logo of this tool and it will automatically do the smoke testing for you guys. And then you can focus on your actual testing or actual business use cases or scenario. Let me show you how. So like this is the page. And here you have the Exploratory Tester logo. Click on this. It will, within a second, it will complete all the simple scenarios or smoke testing, you can say. So you see that it has covered 44 test cases, 28 passed, 3 errors, 13 warnings. And here are those errors and those whatever test cases failed and passed details. Here, if you click on these 3 errors, so this one, like let's say password field, error field, only letters and space allowed. There was an error message in this page right now because we have somewhere we have done that. You see that? This one. There are password field is allow sort password, and the warnings. So you can see those. So it will quickly help you guys to do the one round of testing. Like, let me just again open this page or any page you can try it. Just click on the logo here. Quickly, it will do the testing for you. So if you guys have like any simple page before you start testing, you just click on the logo. It will do one round of sanity check. It will also, like, let's say this is the test case got failed password. You click on this screenshot. The screenshot is also there. If you want to inspect that, where is that element, click on this. It will scroll and highlight that particular area that there's a bug or error, because it is accepting -1 also. So that's the region. Like, let me show you more snap pages. Like on this page, click on this. You see that it is scrolling the page, and just within 1.9 second, it has covered 52 test cases, 38 passed, 6 errors. Let's click on the errors. Form submission. Form 2 has no submit button. Form 3 has no submit button. So like that, it will get those password field. So this will be helpful, like, for you guys. And it got many features. Under settings, you have options like what type of a screenshot you want to capture, and which all test cases you want to cover. If you don't want to cover some of the test cases, you can uncheck from this. Like, let's say SEO is not relevant for me, then you can uncheck and it will not run the SEO scenarios. So those settings are available here. So this is exploratory testing, guys. Any question? You can download this HTML report, doc, PDF, zip. You can do all of that.
So I have a question. I know
Yes, please.
it's really a great feature again. No wonder, it's really interesting. But what if my smoke test has a coverage in different navigations and different menus and different pages? How does it work?
Yes. Yeah, so it will not work for the navigation. It will just for that particular page. Like,
Only
okay,
for the particular
okay.
page.
So when we say the smoke testing, it's not like your smoke testing. It's a simple just for that particular page.
Got
Because
you.
of course, like there could be many scenarios which you might be covering in your smoke testing. So
Mhm.
right now we haven't given the option of like you editing the test cases or adding more test cases as per your scenarios. Maybe in future we will add more and more scenarios where you will
Mhm.
be adding you will be able to add your scenarios as well. You will be able to edit the scenarios the way it used to cover the scenarios. So
Mhm.
all those things will be coming in the future. Right now, you just click on the logo and it will cover that.
Got you.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
So
Thank you.
I have a question. So you have
Yes,
something
please.
covered in your smoke test, and as you said, like right now, can we add if we want to add some more to the enhance,
No,
like,
right now that's the reason. That's the thing which I told you is that right now you cannot add the test cases in this. In future, we will add those functionalities. Right now, those are not available. Right now, under settings, we have given the option that let's say you don't want to run some of the test cases, that you can uncheck from here. That you can do.
oh, only
But you cannot.
to check and uncheck? Okay.
Yes, because we have covered really good scenarios. Like, let's say in this email field, you can type that which is not even email and this is accepting. So this kind of scenarios, it will automatically captures. Like under errors, you see email field validation. This is failing.
Mhm.
So such things it is covering. And what all things it is covered in scenario. Here, if you click on help doc, it will open and show you that, okay, for these form and input test, what all scenarios are covering. And under that, like email validation, which all test cases it is covering. So you can read them, like for phone number, which all fields, what all validation it is covering, what are the test cases for these fields it is covering. So that all details you will get. So maybe in future, we will add more test scenarios. Like right now in the next build, uh, maybe when you will install this feature, you will not get. So what we have done, we have added one more type of thing in this. This is we have added smart test cases here. So what it does, so you see that detected form and data entry. If you click on this, so these are the smart tests based on your page type. It will cover more scenarios. So right now, today, when you will install, you will get only these 21 scenarios where these multiple test cases will be covered, but you will not get these smart tests. So in the next release, maybe by next, like this week, it will be available. This smart test will be there. So you will open and run in your page based on your page type, based on the features that particular page is, it will cover more scenarios. So we will be enhancing this. This is just like 3 weeks ago we have launched this tool, and it's already like more than 4,000, 5,000 testers are using it. You guys can install it from here and try it. You will love this. I have given the link already.
So far only for
Okay.
web pages, right? I mean, I do mobile testing. Anything in that
Not
area?
for this doesn't, no, this will not work for your native apps.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So you can download this report and everything you can do with this. Auto data filler, it will help you guys to quickly fill the form in any web page. Like let's say you are doing the testing and you want to fill the data on multiple fields or forms like this one. So in place of you filling one by one, you just click on this auto data filler logo and it will quickly fill the data in all the fields. So if you have to do any kind of testing where you need to every time fill the data, so it will quickly fill the data. So this is auto data filler, which will help you guys to quickly fill the data in your web page. And also it has an amazing feature that you can right click, and from the context menu, if you want to cover more scenarios, so there you have a lot of scenarios cover, and you can quickly fill this way as well. Like in every particular field, you want to test multiple scenarios. So right from the context menu, you can fill the data.
What if I have to really input different kind of data set always, like not the same one?
Yes, exactly. So for that, we have this customized menu option. So here you can upload your own data and change the like context menu and everything. All the fields value you can change as per your requirement. So going forward, next time when you will try, it will fill, you will get your own data in the context menu.
Okay. What if it is a different form? Will I be able to save this data set for that particular
Yes,
form
yes.
related? Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
you will be able to customize and save the data in your context menu. So going forward, next time you will be able to use that.
Nice.
If you guys have ever used Bug Magnet in the past, this is something similar to that.
Nope.
Do you guys do the performance testing?
I think some of us here. Anyone here does the performance testing, guys?
I don't do, but I have to do actually.
Oh, good. I will make you all to do the performance testing now going forward. So see, generally, like those who do the performance testing, they do. But those who doesn't do at all. So either we do performance testing very well, else we doesn't do at all. So when you do any kind of testing, when you give thumbs up for any particular bug fix or any release, we don't bother about the performance, that there could be a chance that some performance issue might have happened in our web page or website because of that particular fix. So for that, we have built this tool, Page Load Timer. You just keep it installed in your browser. Every time you load your web page, it will show you here the load time in your browser. You see that it is showing 2.35 seconds this page has taken. If I open any other page, it will show me the load time of this page, 2.26 seconds. So you know that what could be the load time of your website maximum and how much time your web page should load. So that time it will always show you here. So you will never give thumbs up for any release which will cause a performance issue for your website. So you can always have this load time of your web page here. And here you can see the details like what all time it has taken. And you can see the report. It will show you the last 100 page you have opened. And you can see that, okay, this particular page has taken this much time and at what time, everything. Now, the good part of this tool, because right now I'm showing you guys that this tool shows you the load time in the bookmark, and there in the toolbar, you can see that. But after 2 days, you will forget that you have installed page load timer and it is showing the load time. It will actually help if it will show the alert whenever the performance of your web page goes down. So you can set your website for which you want to get the alert whenever the performance of that particular page goes from that set time, like this. Let's say. So basically it will show the alert like this, that this took page longer than max load time of whatever you will set. Let me show you how. So let's say on flipkart.com. For flipkart.com, I wanted to make sure that here under setting, you have to enter the domain and set the max load time of, let's say, 1 second. So next time onward, I'm telling this to my tool that from next time onward, if this particular website takes more than 1 second, any page of this website take more than 1 second, give me the alert. Now let's say open this again, reload this page. It has taken more than 1 second. So you see that it has given me this alert. This page took longer than 1 second. If that will not take more than 1 second, then it will not show the alert. So if it will ever take more than 1 second, then it will show the alert. Like for selectorsub.com, if you will set the max load time, something. So you can add multiple website here. Like I'm saying for selectorsub.com, 3 seconds. If it will take more than 3 seconds, then show me the alert. It has taken 1.77, so it's not showing me any alert because it has not taken more than 3 seconds. So this is how you can get the alert for your web pages, for your testing, whenever the performance of your web page goes down. This is page load timer, very helpful tool for you guys.
Is it all this extension can be installed even on the Edge or different browser or only?
Yes. All the
Any-
browsers, yeah. As you can install, yes.
Oh,
All the
breather.
Chromium-based browser, and for Firefox also. So all page has, like you can see that add to other browsers options will be available. Whichever will be available for whichever browser, you will get all details there.
Such a breather. Thank you.
Then selector sub. Let's talk about selector sub. So I guess anyone writing Selenium script, Playwright script? How do you guys write XPath and selectors?
To get from the console and make.
No one?
No. I think some of the folks here definitely does that.
Inspector, using inspector.
Right now it's Claude who is doing all this stuff.
Is my internet is getting? Hello?
Yeah. Now I can hear you now.
Okay. Is it better now? I feel like something is fluctuating. Is it at my end or you like don't know?
No, I can hear you. Probably. Can you guys confirm?
Okay.
Are you guys facing
Let
any?
me just turn off my video if that is
can hear
causing
you.
issue.
Sure.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So Playwright has generate script option code gen and all. Okay, great. So now let me help you guys that which will help you that why Selectors Hub is being used by 1.2 million testers, why Selenium officially recommends Selectors Hub on their website. So basically, Selectors Hub helps you guys to learn about the XPath, CSS selector, Playwright locators, DOM, XPath syntax errors. So it's a kind of like a smart editor. So if you guys are, let's say for an example, you guys write XPath and CSS selector in DevTools. Okay. So many of you might be writing it here. So suppose you are writing XPath here. The moment you start typing or something, so first problem is like your entire page start scrolling up and down. Okay. And you see that here it is showing 1 of 3. Do you guys know that is it 1 of 3? There are 3 match count in this page
Yes.
for this. Are these XPath match? Does anyone know?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's relative with the tag input.
Yeah.
Sorry, with
So
the input.
actually, there are no XPath match for this. This is just a string match. You
Yeah.
see that?
Oh,
If I hit enter, it is just a input match. Oh, I click on this edit button of this. Okay. You see that this is just a input, this INPU, this is a text match. It's not a tag. So DevTools, when you write XPath, start writing XPath in DevTools, it used to show you the string match as well. So this is many a times in interview, people used to ask this kind of question. Are there actually 3 XPath match or this is something else? And people always say that this is a XPath match. So actually this is not a XPath match, it is a string match. Because if you see that DOM here in DevTools clearly written find by string, selector or XPath. So the first feature of this DevTools here, Control F, is finding for string. Now, when you're writing like, let's say this one, input, this is showing 1 of 3. Do you guys know that this is showing 3, 1 of 3? Is it a, okay, because now we have talked about, so it's a string match. But do you guys know that this is a valid XPath or invalid XPath? So here, because it is showing some match, or if it might not show some match, then also, let's say this one. God. Now it's showing 0, 0. Is it a valid match, valid XPath or invalid XPath? Someone who is not expert might not ever understand that this could be a invalid XPath. This is also one of the famous interview question. So to help people with all this, we have this selector sub tool. If you write this same thing here, it will help you to understand that this is an invalid XPath. Single quote is missing. If you do anything wrong, it will help you that what is wrong there. It's a valid or invalid. If any element is inside Shadow DOM or SVG, it will tell you guys that this is SVG Shadow DOM element. If you write XPath for this, it will tell you that this is an invalid CSS selector. XPath doesn't support Shadow DOM. So it will help you in learning these concepts. Right? If any element is SVG or inside iframe, it will help you with everything to learn about this. Like this is SVG element. And also it gives auto-generated selectors. Apart from learning, you can save a hell lot of time. Just like click the element, inspect the element, and it gives you auto-generated selector here. Like any element you inspect, it will give you a very unique relative XPath like this. If any element will be dynamic, it will also tell you that this element is dynamic and everything. And it has many features, like you can also have it has an attribute filter feature if you want to generate XPath CSS selector with and without attribute. If you want to generate with command, you can also generate with command. If you want to generate locator page, you can generate the locator page as well. Like you just inspect multiple elements one by one, and for whichever you want to generate the locator page, you see that it is generating, and you can simply copy paste in your editor and use them. If you guys are working with Playwright, then
How
it
about
got a,
iframes?
yeah, it also automatically identify iframes as well. If there are multiple iframe, 1 iframe, 2 iframe, or 3, everything it used to automatically detect, and also not just detect, it will give you the XPath for the iframe as well. So you don't have to worry about the iframe that those element is inside iframe, then what is the XPath for iframe? So that also you don't have to worry. Like this one. So you just open selector sub, inspect this element. So this is inside iframe. You see that? It tells you that this is the iframe XPath, this is the element XPath. This element is inside same source origin iframe. If there are multiple like 2, 3 iframe, it will tell you that this element is inside 2 nested iframe. XPath for frame 1, frame 2, and for the element. So saves a hell lot of time. If you guys have ever handled iframe, you know that pain point. Okay. If you're working with Playwright, you just click on this Playwright tab here, and then you just inspect the element. You see that it will automatically generate the Playwright locator, like get by text, get by role, everything. If those element will be inside iframe, everything it will take care. It works with JavaScript, TypeScript. If you're working with Java, it will also work with that. If you're working with Python, you can select this Playwright with Python, Playwright with Java, everything. And here you can also verify these locators. You can also open selector sub just by clicking on the logo here, and you see that you can generate them. Like let's say you are working with, and here also it has a selector sub inspector. You just select and click, and there you go. Go to any page and you can do that. Like get by role and everything it is to be generating. If you're working with like let's say this is your script. Another interesting feature I will tell you guys. Also, you can generate XPath with respect to other element. If you guys are working with Selenium, you must have worked with access-based XPath, right? Like write a XPath for this element, enter email field with respect to user email. So this is a feature like access XPath. First inspect this user email, then inspect that element for which you want to generate XPath. So you see that access-based XPath is generated. So this is XPath for enter email with respect to user email. So that feature is also there. So this is selector sub. You can generate the Playwright locators. And it has got one amazing feature like XPath healing. Suppose if your UI got changed. So generally like all the locators and everything start breaking whenever there's a UI change happen. So in that case, how you can verify all the locators in one shot, all the XPath? What you have to do, you just go to your script, copy your entire script, go to that page where you want to verify. There's a XPath healing. Click on this edit button, paste your entire script, set the command, click on submit. It will fetch all the XPath from your script and showing the result, whichever XPath got changed. So you can just quickly edit and fix those XPath and then replace in your script. So basically it will help you guys a lot in your script maintenance. So likewise, there are many features. It also has a debugger feature to inspect dynamic bubble loader, dynamic drop-down elements, which automatically disappear whenever you perform any action. So this is selector sub, guys. Here's the, you can use it on any browser. It is available. And you can see that it's a absolutely safe and secure browser plugin. More than 400K active users right now in Chrome Store. You guys can install and use it. Any question?
Don't have questions though, but can't appreciate enough. It's
Thank you.
really good.
This is, you can see that on official website of Selenium, it is being recommended. So you guys can absolutely use it. And these all are safe and secure tools, run offline in your system, doesn't save any kind of data. So they are secure. Then like, how do you guys keep yourself updated with software testing? By following some of the followers, LinkedIn, Medium author, right?
Yep.
So we have a tool, Testing Daily, which will help you guys to automatically keep you updated with the latest software testing updates, events, meetups, conferences, webinar, all the blogs, YouTube videos, and everything at one place without you doing anything extra. So I will tell you the concept. Hope you all have used Edge browser. So whenever you open Edge browser, you see that this kind of feed used to come. Like if you have to open a website, Like here I open google.com, let's say. Okay. Now if I have to open a new tab, new website, I will click on this and this tab will open this feed, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But this feed as a software tester for my career, this feed is not at all useful, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
If we will replace this feed with software testing feed, will that be helpful for our career to get more package, get job and everything and keep ourselves updated, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So with testing daily, this is the same thing which we have done. You just keep this browser extension installed in your browser, testing daily, and every time you open new tab, this is testing daily. Every time you open new tab, you see that this feed is coming here. This is software testing feed. So if I have to
Um,
open a website, I can open it here. Next time when I open, the feed is coming here, new feed. I can read, go through it if I want to read. Here you see that everything like blogs and YouTube videos and everything coming here. If you want to just see which all YouTube videos came today, click on this. Everything related to software testing videos on 8th March. These are the videos came. Hundreds of YouTube channel feed used to come here. You don't have to waste your time in YouTube finding and wasting time. Blogs, which all blogs came, like whether the website, whether the medium or everything, it comes here. Then what are the upcoming software testing meetups, conferences, event? You can find it here under events. Under jobs, you find the jobs as well, latest software testing jobs. So this
is it
is
only
testing daily.
is
It's
the
also
jobs?
available.
I'm sorry, Sanjay. Is it
Sorry,
only
please.
on the India side, the jobs, or entire
We
world?
try to add like from it for entire world.
Mm-hmm. Great.
Yeah. And also available for the mobile apps. This is available as a mobile app as well on Android and iPhone, so you guys can install it. This is testing daily. You can scan this QR code and install it in your phone. Same thing is available on app as well, everything what I showed you guys. And you also get the mobile notification whenever there's a good update, any good blog, any good event, or any good webinar is coming or video. So that also you get the notification. Then we have this auto test data. What this tool does basically, if you need a lot of fake test data, so you can generate this lot of fake test data using auto test data filler tool. It's a simple uh, sorry, auto test data. You can use this as a simple one-page web application. You don't have to install or anything for this. If you need, like, let's say you need thousands of email ID, password combination, zip code, address, at all, and all, then you can select the data, what kind of data you want to do. You can customize and everything. You can do it here. Then in what format, select, and then click on. Here you can change the number of rows, how many you want, click on generate, and the data is generated here. You can copy or download. So if you need a lot of fake test data, you can use this. Then another quick utility, if you guys are worried like doubtful that Selenium is better, Playwright is better, or Cypress, or which one you should use for your application. So rather than like going through a lot of discussion, documentation and all, you can use this tool, automation tool analyzer, which will help you to quickly get to know that which tool could be better for you. So this is tool analyzer. You don't have to install. It's a very fun utility. You just give your URL here, like let's say google.com, and click on analyze. And here it will start analyzing your DOM and application and tell you the score. Like Selenium 60%. Selenium is winner for this recommended tool. And for why? For what region? So here you can read all these details. So rather than you checking manually, you going through multiple documents, asking expert which tool is better for my application, this will automatically analyze your DOM and give you the report. So if you ever have this doubt or POC you want to do, you can use this simple application. Okay, so these were all the tools, and they have many features. In this quick session, I couldn't cover all of them. These are some of the logos where these tools are being used. Pretty much in every company, everywhere they are being used. Almost 1.75 million testers are using these tools right now. This is a patented technology. So all of them are very innovative features and innovative tools, what you have seen. All the download links are available on slacktosub.com. And yeah.
Well, I'm glad. I was hoping to see more and more surprises. I'm glad that, I know it's great. I don't have any more words actually, you really made my day with all these new learnings as part of this special day for us. And I really
Thank
appreciate
you so much.
1 a.m. for you right now. And I'm really happy that you were able to explain us everything what a tester need to learn. And it's
Yeah,
cool. It's really
definitely.
cool. Girls, any words for
Okay.
him?
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining and this arranging this session. Got me. Really appreciate.
Thank
Sanjay,
Feel free to ask if you guys have any question.
I just want to say special thanks to you because I just joined a new company. I am going to use some of these and I am going to demo these as well. So they are going to use.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Amazing. I will also share this PPT with Gautami. She will share with you all. So if you guys want to utilize this, just make a copy and feel free to present in your company webinar or wherever you want.
I'm gonna do that immediately, man. I need it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you like these tools, do rate them in Chrome Store and share it with others. Many of like you are still not aware, so it will reach to others as well.
Sanjay, just to let you know, is like I'm a big fan of your work, and thank you so much. Having you here, like in real time, is a great moment.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Gautami.
Thank you, Deepika.
Thank you, Deepika. Great to hear.
Thank you,
Well,
Sanjay.
yeah.
It was
Thank you,
really
Sanjay. Thank you, Gautam.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Sanjay. Yeah, I have used Selectors Hub before, and now I can see even more tools being added. So I'll continue using it. Thank you, Sanjay.
That's great to hear. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, thank you again. Great to hear. I'm stopping the recording here.
Sure.